Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes the road don't show you mercy, but I still walk it like a prayer. Yeah. Heard it through the grapevine. They say the dog still breathing. World on fire, but my soul ain't leaving. Every scar that I got's a note in the song. Every loss I took just taught me strong. I seen angels with broken wings and hustlers with halos hiding in the wind. If pain's the price of feeling alive, then I'll pay every dime till the day I die. Is this the way that it's supposed to be? I don't know, but it's calling me. Supposed to be. Back up off me, dog still breathing heavy. Got my back to the wall, but my hands stay ready. In the city of sin, we pray with fists, turn pain into rhythm, redemption in ribs. Ain't no pearly gates on these blocks I roam. Just church bells crying through the payphone tone. But I talk to God through the smoke and noise. He said, boy, keep moving, I still hear your voice. Tell me, Lord, is this the way? Yeah. Keep walking, keep faith. Through the fire, through the rain. Every loss is a seed of gain. This is the way. No angel, no devil. No angel, no devil gonna claim my name. This is the way. My sins and my grace. My sins and my grace both feel the same. Walk through fire, walk through pain, and I'll still rise up again. This is the way. The way it's supposed to be.